New York, baby. I have specific. You should come on this side. I have to explain what I'm doing. Right. So each of my credit cards gives me credits towards my meal. All right, here we go. You charge $20 on this. 20 on my Delta Reserve. Here we go. We're getting looks.
Taking my city dog into the city. Ready? Like,
Down. 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 Gives. This is a little bougie. Down.
just got off the railroad. Gonna take the subway downtown now.
It's like 700.
City dog. Alright guys, I'm in New York City at one of my favorite restaurants in Chelsea called Cafeteria, and it's a Resy restaurant. And I was planning to pay with my 5 cards because I recently got the Marriott Brilliant, which gives me $25 towards a meal. But a couple of my friends called up and they're gonna join me. So I don't know if I'm gonna end up paying with 5 credit cards. Should I do it? Should I leave points on the table, or should I just live by example? We might do it. We might do it. I'm gonna do it. Guys, I'm gonna do it, of course. Think I'm gonna waste points and leave points on the table? Never. American Express is paying for this meal. I'll give Hughes the orange. Cafeteria or Cosmo? Could have 10 of these.
New York, baby. I have specific. You should come on this side. I have to explain what I'm doing. Right. So each of my credit cards gives me credits towards my meal. All right, here we go. You charge $20 on this. 20 on my Delta Reserve. Here we go. We're getting looks.
The horror.
We're gonna be here a while.
No, I want you to be silent. Just go like this.
So I'll put that tip on the last card, okay? So
Yeah. Sign for me.
Sign. I gotta sign 5 times. How inconvenient.
Any other receipt?
No receipt. Thank you. All right, done this one. All right, 10 on my Delta Platinum.
Get Kevin together.
Guys, I don't care. I might lose a friend today. All right, another 10 on this one. We're not even halfway there. Guys, you can't leave points on the table. Hello. We know this. All right, almost 25 on my Brilliant. Sweating.
It should be.
I need to sit.
Too much work.
The balance is going to be on the gold card plus the tip, 20% of the entire balance. I don't need. I lost track. Plus 366. 366 plus 67.
$1,000.
That's 434, right? Right. But I just paid 65 of it, so it's 434.
20%.
All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'll get this one.
Can we come back? It's okay? Alright, great.
In conclusion, your friend has been banned from the restaurant.
I don't know if this waiter likes me anymore. I could do 3 cards easily. 5 was a little too much. And I might have lost a friend. But I'm gonna do it next time with 6 cards.